Good morning, Power Wash Store of Central PA here. And give you a quick look at one of these trailers here that we've been working on. This one was actually brought to us by a customer. It had a pressure washer and tanks and a couple hose reels already on it, but he was looking to add a SoftWash setup. So this is what we came up with for him. So he had the 8 gallon a minute, 3,500 PSI pressure washer there. That's up at the front of the trailer. We swapped out, he had a 535 leg tank on there, and with everything we wanted to add to this, we just didn't have enough room for that. So we changed over to, we have 270 gallon water tank, and then we have an additional 100 gallon slimline tank, giving us a total of 370 gallons of water for both the SoftWash system and the pressure washer. Then we've got a 55 gallon tank for bleach over here on this side. We come back over here, we reused some of the hose reels that were already on this rig. So these are the two up front here, are 12-inch reels. The top one is going to be for our water-fed pole hose for our water purification system. We've got a garden hose there on the bottom. Then back here, we installed some new hose reels. These are the Hanny Electrics. 18-inch up top, we have our 5/8 Curry Tech hose for soft washing, and then down below we've got the pressure washing hose. So our soft wash system pump is over on this side. We installed the air diaphragm setup here. Proportioner is tucked in right here. And then our air compressor is back in that back corner there. I'll walk over to the other side so you can get a better look at that as well. And then our soap tanks that work in combination with the proportioner are here. We actually have 3 soap tanks. 2 of those are going to be for the proportioner, and then that third one is going to be for downstreaming. We set that downstream setup with the FlowPro remote system here, so he can switch from water or chemical just by pushing the button on his remote. We also added a water purification system here. This is the RHG Tucker Fill and Go system, 4-stage RODI. And then that's going to work with his water-fed pole, which he will be feeding from that 3/8 hose there. He'll be able to clean windows as well with this setup. Down below the hose reel here, we added a Bleach Fill. That's just a 12-volt transfer pump, so he will be able to fill up his bleach tanks using that pump and fill directly into his tank, so he's not climbing around the rig trying to fill up tanks with a hose or buckets of bleach, potentially spilling chemical all over the place. Then back here on this side then is our compressor. That is a 20 CFM roll air compressor. And that's going to power that air diaphragm pump over on the other side. And then back here, we just have our 2 22-gallon fuel tanks. Both of those do have the fuel gauges on them, so you can keep track of your fuel without having to open the tanks. Again, this is one of the trailers that we reconfigured for a customer. If this is something you're looking to do to your setup, give us a call and we can discuss your options. 717-378-2276. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.